Hi third graders, happy Wednesday. Today for math we are going to be reviewing rounding, which is a skill that we were working on just right before we had to switch to e-learning. So it'll be a good review for us. So before we start on this activity together, let's remember the numbers that round down and the numbers that round up. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are the baby numbers that go back down. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are the big numbers that round up. Okay, we'll do the first couple together because in this activity you're taking the same number and rounding it first to the nearest 100 and then to the nearest 1,000. All right, so let's look at our first number here, 8,396. Round to the nearest 100. So what I tell my kiddos to do, and I'm sure your math teacher told you something similar, is I'm going to circle the number in the hundreds place, the 3. And I'm going to underline the number to the right of it in the tens place, which is a 9. Now think about that 9. Is that a number that rounds down or is it a number that rounds up? 9 rounds up. So it won't go down to 300, it goes up to 400. So the number is 8,400. All right, good. Now let's go to the next one and round to the 100 again, because I recommend you do all these numbers first to the nearest 100, then go back to the top to do the nearest 1,000 so that you're not confusing yourself. All right, so 2,675. Circle the number in the hundreds place, which here is 6. Underline the number to the right, 7. And now think again, 7. Does that round up or does 7 round down? 7 rounds up. So the number will become 2,700. And remember, it's all zeros behind the hundreds place because we are rounding. Okay? All right, now let's round to the nearest 1,000, starting back at the first number, 8,396. And I'm actually going to rewrite the number over here so that I can use my strategy again. If I'm rounding to the nearest 1,000, I'm going to circle the number in the thousands place and underline the number to the right, which is the hundreds place. Look at the number you underlined, the 3. Does 3 round up or does 3 round down? 3 rounds down. So this number stays at 8,000. All zeros behind the number in the thousands place. All right, now let's do the next one, 2,675, and I'm rewriting it again so I can use my strategy. All right, circle the number in the thousands, underline the number in the hundreds. 6, round up or down? It rounds up. So it's not 2,000 anymore, now it is 3,000. Remember, boys and girls, rounding is tricky. Take your time. Do the whole hundreds column first, then go back and do the thousands. If you need a break because your brain's like, what's going on right now, then take a little break, but make sure you come back to it, okay? Happy rounding. See you on Friday.